The Blue Blizzard.
Battery dead on this joker. Oh, cheap Walmart battery. That cold weather messing with it. Finna jump it off. Got it running. Yeah. Finna unhook it. And it's finna go in the shop. Yeah, so got it in the shop. So the people that know me, they know about this vehicle, which is the Blue Blizzard, the Blazer, nothing special, dependable. But for the people who know me, know my fuel gauge don't work. You know what I'm saying? But for TikTok, y'all don't know, so I'm telling you now. It's been running like this for 4 years. It's very dependable though, but I just don't know how much gas I got in it. So that's when you go in here and you work the trip, whatever, and that way you keep, when you fill it up, you know how long you got till it go on E. But yeah, it's in the shop now, man. I'm finna come back some more. I got a lot of crap in the way. But yeah, I'm finna come back some more. And we finna go and put a fuel pump in. I had a fuel pump for I don't know how long now, but yeah, it's time to put it in. And, yeah, very dependable. But we're just gonna bag it back a tad. Make sure we don't hit nothing. That should be good enough. You know, to close everything up too. Yeah, we right on the money. But yeah, so I close the little flap and everything. I'm gonna let it run and charge up. Yeah, we're gonna keep it in the shop. That's good enough. We're gonna jack up and we're gonna have fun dropping that tank. Cut dog. I gotta put I just went and got a new battery, man. They sold me a bad battery, so yeah, I'm finna put the new battery in here and then I'm probably gonna go gas it up. But that's it, man. Y'all follow for more. But yeah, it's time. It's time. Y'all just don't know for how long I've been putting this off. It's always on E. Yeah. We finna go and change that out. Change that. I'll move all this crap and get that jack behind now. We're gonna jack up on the rear deal. Drop that tank.